Alright, it's as I feared. I gotta break this bad boy in. So I'm gonna keep putting rounds downrange. Round says 50, some blazer, aluminum, garbage ammo, my opinion. I mean, it runs. It's just, you know, the reason's gotta be so cheap. That's better. That's better. See how the rest of this goes. I think it's getting a little bit better. We shall see. Oh, yeah, it was recommended I pull in the target, which I should do. Target has been at 21 feet the whole time. There it is. Straight in. Not too bad for a bolt-action pistol. I could probably do better. I'll try to do better. All right, going for another 10 rounds. I was aiming more center mass towards the beginning, and then those last 10 shots I took up here. Then I think my worst one's by the shoulder. Still at 21 feet. Nothing too impressive.